Hey, how's it going? We cold starting the old 1981 Yamaha XS400 special. It's 45 degrees out right now. Got the choke fully pulled out. You know, give her a little priming, right? And then, yeah, let's see what you want to do. I drop it to half idle once it warms up for about 10 seconds. I let it warm up like this for a little bit. So I'm gonna pause, get my helmet and stuff on real quick. Alright, got my helmet on and backpack. So yeah, once it gets up to about right there, it's usually good enough to put it in, but I usually don't. Because watch, if I put it in all the way, it wants to drop below warmed up idle, because it should be right there, but without gas. Should warmed up enough. So yeah, thanks for watching.